Here at HSI, we know how difficult it can be to connect you, the instructor, with students to complete the skills portion of a blended online learning class. Today, we put those challenges in the past with Remote Skills Verification, RSV. RSV combined with our existing blended learning programs brings flexibility and freedom to the certification process. The brand new skills evaluation tool allows you to evaluate students' hands-on skills in real time right through your Otis 3.0 instructor platform. So, how does it work? Training centers purchase RSV digital credits from their Otis 3.0 platform. When purchasing credits, you will have a few options available that ensures the students have the mannequins and other accessories necessary to complete the training. The first option, you supply the mannequin and any other required items to the student. Or you can let us do the work. HSI will drop ship a mannequin and other required items to the student. You can choose to send them a mannequin that they'll return, or you can send them a mannequin they can keep for future sessions. Either way, the mannequin and all accessories will be drop shipped directly to the student, so the instructor can focus on training, not shipping, collecting, or cleaning mannequins. Once you've purchased credits and chosen how your student will get their mannequins, the next step is setting up the RSV blended class. You'll add students and send out the blended email notification. Next, TC directors or instructors add the dates and times they are available for future skills sessions in the RSV scheduling module. Using the email link they received, students complete the cognitive portion of the online training at their own pace. After completing the cognitive portion, students will be prompted to select an available time slot for their remote skill assessment. The instructor will receive a notification that a remote session has been scheduled. Both the instructor and the student will receive periodic reminder notices leading up to the scheduled date, including a reminder 1 hour prior to the session. On the day of the skills session, the instructor and student will launch the student-instructor portal from their respective sites to start the remote assessment. From here, the skills evaluation begins. When successfully completed, hit the Finish button. If the student received the single-use mannequin, their certification card will be immediately presented to the student. If the student needs to return their mannequin, they will receive their digital card after FedEx has picked up their return shipment. It's that simple. Now that you see how to set up and use RSV, you can start scheduling your customers through Otis today.